Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me of course, for you. Today let me introduce you the OLOOKY FSC-certified bamboo folding chair. ECO handmade. It's a retro style kitchen chair with 150 kilogram, loadable indoor and outdoor. That means for the living room, the coffee, for the garden, for the terrace, for the balcony, for the beach, for the wedding. Antique brown chair. Wow. No assemblies required. It can be opened in just a second and it's ready for immediately use. When folded, the chair is only 9.5 centimeters thick and can easily stored under the wall, behind the doors, under the sofa, under the beds, or in the narrow edges. The dimensions are unfolded 62.5 to 46.5 to 90 centimeters. Dimensions folded 46.5 to 9.5 to 96 centimeters, with a light weight of under 5 kilogram. It is an easily to carry and stackable for flexible use anywhere, anytime. It's made of high quality stowed rattan bamboo with a reinforced triangular support frame for outstanding stability. Thanks to a static load capacity of up to 150 kg, this received chair offers a more safety and stability than previous models on the market. The braided seat and the backrest is made of rattan and bamboo, ensures a pleasantly breathable sitting feeling. The ergonomically curved backrest offers an optimal support for the back and the waist, so we can stay relaxed and comfortable even for a long time of sitting. And it's made from FSC-certified rattan bamboo. Sustainable cultivation means that. And recyclable metal components. Even the packaging is environmentally friendly. That means 100% compostable and biodegradable. Corrugated cardboard, bubble wrap, adhesive tape. Everything is green for the planet. Decomposes within 1 year to CO2 and water. When used on the earth, environmental protection, it's not a promise for the brand, but it's a live task. And we have triple protective varnish for increased scratch resistance and weather resistance too. Specially treated against the insect infestation and mold information with a shiny appearance at the same time the health-safe coating. It's completely free of sharp chemical odors. And each chair combines the natural bamboo knots. That's a symbol for writhing prosperity, and an artisanal fire pattern in noble black, an organic elegance that harmonize perfect with all furnishing styles, modern, classic, or eclectic. Gastronomy and accommodation, coffee, bistros, pensions, and so on. Diverse usage scenarios are possible. In the kitchen, in the dining room, guest seating, group, in the living area, game evenings, terraces, balconies, for wedding parties, for events, convenience, combination, and long-lasting and quality, good, space-saving, foldable function comes with this bamboo folding chair. Wow, made of natural braided rattan and bamboo. Timeless minimalistic design, versatile for any occasion. As bar stool, for the wedding chairs, the dining chairs, the holiday apartment chairs, and. Pleasant and breathable, safe and stable, increased stability and load capacity, chrome metal parts, all included in this nice chair for that nice price. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel, maybe on this folding chair. Sun.